So the warm weather has hit us. It's summer. We need the perfect smoothie to go along with this beautiful weather. So come and join me as we make a Pina Colada Smoothie. Hi, my name's Karen, the host of Thriving Talk, and welcome to my series, Smoothie Station. So let's get started on making a great smoothie that's sure to be enjoyed by kids and adults alike. All right, so I already put some freeze-dried pineapple in here. If you have fresh, then go ahead and use that. When you're using freeze-dried, you're going to want to add extra liquid to help refresh it. But it is still really good because it maintains all those nutrients still. Okay, so I have pineapple in here. See if you can see that. And I have some ice and water. To that, I'm going to add some banana. So I also have some freeze-dried banana that I wanted to use. And I'm just going to put some of that into the amount that I think would be about 2 bananas worth. Take a look at those. Really nice. Okay, very different than dehydrated, by the way. Just a few more. So some pina colada recipes have banana in it and some don't. So just decide for yourself if that's something that you want in your smoothie. Okay, we are also going to add some coconut milk. Now this one that I used actually had a lot of coconut cream in it and very little milk. So look at all that cream all the way down to the bottom and just a little bit of milk. So I am going to mix this up in my magic bullet just to be able to use it better. So I don't need to use the whole thing, only about a cup. So here we go. All right, so now it's all combined and I'm gonna put about a cup of that, oh nice and creamy, into the smoothie. Okay. Very, very creamy. That's because so much of it was the cream and very little of that was the actual milk. Now you can get light versions, probably have less amount of the cream, but this is for the kids, so they're gonna like it creamy. Okay, we are also gonna make it creamier by adding Greek yogurt. So this is the one that I have today. Okay, I like to get plain, and then if I want to sweeten it, I use stevia, but you're not going to have the sugars in here, and you're going to have high protein, so it's really nice. So I'm going to just put in a few scoops to equal about a cup. And then I'm going to add some coconut flakes. So I have a whole bunch of coconut flakes and I put it in a big jar and then I vacuum seal it. So we're gonna put some of this in it. Okay, so now these are unsweetened. So you're gonna get the coconut flavor from the coconut milk and from the coconut flakes. Now, when using freeze-dried products, like I mentioned at the beginning, sometimes you need to add more liquid. So I might add more water or coconut milk if needed. Okay, so let's blend this up and test it out. Here we go. Okay, let's see if there's enough liquid in this. Oh, it's looking good. It's looking good. I'm seeing lots of bubbles. Come and check this out. Okay. Can you see all those bubbles in there? All right, I'm going to taste it and see if it's nice and liquidy. So it is. Can you see that? It's not too thick, not too thin. I'm going to taste it. Yummy, yummy, yummy. All right. Okay, I'm gonna mix it just a little bit longer. It's really, really yummy. I don't want to change any of the ingredients. I just want that coconut flake to get ground up a little bit more. Now let's pour it up. So let me know, what is your favorite summer smoothie? What flavors do you like? What fruits or vegetables do you like to put in your smoothies? And I can try and do one of your smoothie recipes, one of your favorites. Okay, let's take a good look at this. Ready? Nice and creamy, beautiful. Look at that. Now the only thing I'm missing, well, two things I'm missing. I'm missing a little umbrella to put in these, and I'm missing a beach in Mexico or Maui. But since I can't go to Mexico or Maui because of restrictions, I can still enjoy a piece of vacation, summer vacation at home with a Pina Colada smoothie. So try it. Let me know how you like it. I'm going to test this now, see if it's smoother, if the coconut flakes has kind of been blended up more. Still a little bit coconut flakes, but not so much. Very creamy, very yummy. The boys will like it. The only thing is if they come across a coconut flake, they might be picky about that. But if you don't mind a little coconut flake once in a while, this is pretty good. Or just blend it up a little bit more to make sure that the coconut flake is totally ground up there. But this is so good. And it's full of healthy things, healthy fats. That coconut milk is a healthy fat. The Greek yogurt is a healthy protein. The pineapple, the banana are healthy fruits. And yeah, this is good. So, cheers. Okay, so eat well, drink well, and enjoy a happy, thriving life. Until next time, bye.